Professor was teaching the lecture and students were drooling over him. Professor was very hot, but he was super strict too. Jimin, he's so hot in this formal look and cold face. He's looking the hottest. OMG, I can't breathe. Hobie, I think I will die today by seeing this hotness. Hobie whispered, Jimin, behave yourself and focus on lecture. Jimin, I'm focusing on my full course meal. His deep voice and sharp glare gave me a shiver. How can anyone be this much hot? Hobie, Jimin, focus on lecture, not on Mr. Min. If he will hear you, then he will eat you alive. Jimin, I'm ready. I want he will eat me. I'm so desperate. But by my bad luck, he doesn't even look at me. What a shame. Hobie hit on his forehead. Stop your unholy thoughts. It will never gonna happen. So focus on your studies. In few days our exams are going to start. Jimin looked at him. Hoba, you are the villain of my love story. I hate you. Hobie, I'm not villain because being your best friend, it's my responsibility to not let you go on any wrong path. Jimin, then I don't want any best friend who comes in between my love story. Hobie, baby, your love story is imaginary. He isn't interested in you. Maybe he is straight. Jimin looked at him with cute angry pout. I don't need any enemy because you are enough to ruin my happiness. If you can't say anything good, then at least don't ruin my dream too. Hobie, come back in reality. Your imagination never gonna be true. Just look at Mr. Min. How cold he look. I don't think there is any emotion left in him. He's so scary. Don't go closer to him. You will only hurt. Jimin, I wanna be hurt. There is no human without any emotion. He is a professor, that's why he behaves coldly. But in reality, he couldn't be this much cold. I have a strong feeling that he is really a nice guy. Hobie, maybe he is, but he isn't right person for you. Just look at you and him. There is no comparison between you two. Jimin, haven't you heard about opposite attraction? Hobie, I know that very well, but then also don't get closer to him. He isn't your type. I mean, he is good, but not for you. Jimin, only he is made for me. I only want him, and you will see. One day I will get him with full authority. Hobie, Jimin, how can I make you understand? You aren't understanding me. Jimin, chill Hobie, you are worried for nothing. I know he won't hurt me. Hobie, I wish the same because I can't see you in pain. Yoongi, that's it for today. Complete the assignments. Only few days left for your final exams. Study hard. This is your last chance. On this exam, your future life depends, so don't take it lightly. Looked at Jimin. Park Jimin, meet me in my cabin. Left. Jimin stood up. Oh, okay, sir. Followed him. Jimin knocked the door. May I come in, sir? Yoongi coldly, come in. Jimin came inside and stood in front of Yoongi, who was looking damn scary and looking at him with sharp glare which praised his soul. Jimin was literally shaking from inside because of his scary aura, but didn't show it. Jimin, sir, you called me? Yoongi started walking towards him. I call you. Jimin started taking back steps. But why, sir? Yoongi, while taking a step towards him, I was teaching in full concentration, so I couldn't hear your precious thoughts about me. So I called you here to listen your thoughts. Tell me, what were you talking about me? Jimin hit on the wall. I'm sorry, sir. Yoongi stopped in front of him and maintained proper distance. What were you saying before? Jimin, scared. I'm sorry, sir. It would never happen again. Yoongi, I don't like to repeat myself again and again. Jimin, sorry. I was saying you are looking damn. Yoongi, crossed arm. I was looking damn. What? Complete a sentence. Jimin, I'm really sorry, sir. Yoongi, drink the last straw. Patience too. You were checking out me when I was teaching. I was busy in explaining the topic and you were busy in finding my body. You should concentrate on your lecture, but you are busy in how hot I was looking. Jimin, embarrassed. Sorry. Look down. Yoongi, mad. Now I'm standing right in front of you. Check out me properly by this close. Why are you looking down now? You have such a great opportunity. Don't you wanna grab it? Jimin mumbled, sorry. Yoongi grabbed his hand. If you can't satisfy by looking at me, then you can touch me too. Tell me, where do you wanna touch me? About to touch himself, but Jimin made a fist and tried to free his hand. Jimin, sir, what are you doing? Please leave my hand. Yoongi, what am I doing? I'm only fulfilling your wish. Left his hand. Oh, I remember. You want me to touch you. No problem. I can fulfill your wish too. Started unbuttoning his shirt's button. Jimin closed his eyes tightly. Stop it, sir. I didn't want this. Yoongi held his jaw tightly. Open your eyes and tell me, didn't you tell to Hoshuk that you want me to eat you? Didn't you breathe properly because of my hotness? Didn't you say that I was looking full course meal to you? Didn't you say you were so desperate of my touch? But don't look at you. Tell me, Park Jimin, you said this or not? Don't test my patience level. It's already ended after hearing your cheap talks. That's enough for Jimin. Tears was flowing from his eyes. He was so embarrassed. It was so embarrassing for him to hear his unholy thoughts by his professor, whom he has crushed. Yes, he said that, but he didn't mean it. Jimin, stop it, sir, please, said while crying. Yoongi, oh, so now you are acting like you are an innocent. For your kind information, let me remind you, it's all were your thoughts. I only repeat it. Stop crying and tell me, what do you want from me? Jimin, please let me go. I wanna go. Yoongi, no, you can't go anywhere. I am watching your action from past few days. You weren't concentrating on your lecture. You only concentrate on me. Then let me satisfy you. Jimin shook his head vigorously. No, please. Yoongi harshly left his jaw. Tell me, what should I do to satisfy you? Should I hug you, kiss you, or directly? Jimin shouts, sir, please, you're taking me wrong. Yes, I said those words for you. I realized my mistake. I'm really sorry for that. But I never have any wrong intention for you. Please let me go. Yoongi, oh really? Now you caught red-handed, then you are acting like an innocent. I know you from 5 years. When you first joined the university, I thought you were simple and innocent guy who has dreamed to achieve something, who wanna make his career, but I was so wrong. You were acting all this time. Your real face came in front of me. You are also like others who wants to live on others' money, who wants to trap others to satisfy their needs, who wants to live without doing any work. You want a rich guy who can bear your all the expenses and you can live your life in luxury without doing anything. I can't believe behind this innocent face you hide your this cheap and sick mentality. In your pleasure you forget that you are having wrong intention for your professor. You are here for studying, not on ruling over me. Jimin, I never have any wrong intention for you. From very first day, I love you. I dreamt to spend my whole life with you only. Yoongi, if you love me, then you should have known that I don't like cheap tactics. I want honesty, sincerity, and simplicity in my life partner. I don't like my life partner behaves like this. Your first priority should be your studies and career. For love and physical relationship, whole life is there, but you don't understand this. You don't want to do any hard work to achieve something. You want an easy way. You thought if you will be in relationship with me, then you don't need to do anything. You will get easily everything, right? That's all right. I don't have any problem with this. Tell me, where do you wanna let out your desperation? In my home, your home, or in my cabin? Tell me, you don't need to show your fake shyness. You're shameless. Tell me, I'm ready to satisfy your all the needs. Jimin pushed him with his all the force. I never want any shortcut to get success. Yes, I'm desperate of your touch, but not like this. I'm not shameless and fake. My love is for you, just so pure. Yes, I distracted from my studies because of you. I started giving you more attention. I know I shouldn't do this. I will prove you my sincerity, honesty, and love by scoring good marks in final year. I'm really sorry for letting you down. Ran outside while crying hard. Yoongi smiled. I will wait for that team. Jimin reached at his home and started crying loudly. It was a small house near the university. He was so embarrassed and hurt. Yoongi's word pressed his heart. 5 years ago, when he first joined the university, he met with Yoongi and lost his heart. Yoongi is the most strict professor of the university. Usually, students were this much scared of him that they don't look at him. He talks less, only work related. He always maintained his dark and cold professor aura, but Jimin was different. He never escaped from him. He was very sincere towards his studies. His goal was very clear and he was very determined to achieve that. But from past few days he got distracted by Yoongi. He started focusing on him. As a result, his studies got affected very badly, which didn't get unnoticed by Yoongi. Yoongi also likes Jimin because of his sincerity and cuteness, but after seeing his massive fall in studies, he decided to talk with him. Jimin was crying mess and suddenly two little hands wiped his tears. Appa, no cry. Jimin slowly pushed him. Cookie, go from here. Cook went to somewhere and returned back. Appa, Nana milk, happy. Jimin shouts, Cookie, what's this behavior, huh? When I told you to go from here, then go. Can't you listen at once? Cook hugged him tightly and started crying. Cookie, no, Appa. Seeing his big fat tears, Jimin's all the anger vanished. He quickly hugged him tightly and peeked over all his face. Jimin, while hugging him tightly, Appa is sorry baby. Appa scolded Cookie without any reason. Appa didn't want to hurt his precious baby, but nowadays Appa is only hurting everyone. In the morning, Appa hurt Mr. Min, and now Appa hurt Cookie too. Appa is so bad now. Cook wiped his tears. Appa, good, no bad. Cookie, love Appa. Went to Jimin's desk and brought his books. Appa, study. Cookie, see. Appa, good boy. No scolding. Patted his head. Jimin wiped his tears. Cookie wants Appa to study. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie wants. Cookie will see Appa. Jimin, oh, my Cookie will keep his eyes on his Appa. Cook again nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie too. Appa, come first. Cookie, Appa, happily dance. Started jumping. Jimin, done baby. Cookie and Appa will definitely dance. Time Time skipped after 3 weeks. 3 weeks passed. In this meantime, Jimin completely changed himself. He became more serious towards his studies. He didn't look at Yoongi again. He only focused on his studies. Yoongi's words boosted him and took them as a challenge. He has to prove Yoongi that he isn't careless. He didn't want any shortcut to get success. He is still determined to achieve his goals. Now it's exam time. Today is his first paper. He was standing at the entrance of his building and talking with authorities to allow him to go inside. Let's go and see why did they stop Jimin to give paper. Jimin, sir, please try to understand my situation. Professor, I am understanding your situation, Jimin, but rules are rules. Everyone should follow this. Sorry, I can't let you go inside. Yoongi came there. Jimin, what are you doing here? It's almost the exam time. Jimin looked at him. Sir, he isn't letting me go inside. Yoongi, why? Mr. Lee, what happened? Why aren't you letting him go inside? Don't you know how much important exam is this for him? Mr. Lee, I know, Mr. Man. I didn't stop Jimin. He can go inside, but he insists to take baby with him. Yoongi, shocked. Baby? Mr. Lee, yes, baby. Horshook is playing with him. Pointed his finger on Hobie, who was holding Cookie a little far away from the entrance. Jimin, sir, he is my son. I don't have anyone with whom I can live with him, and moreover, he isn't well. Please allow me to take him inside. I promise he won't disturb anyone. Mr. Lee, sorry, Jimin. Either you have to leave him or your exam. Yoongi looked at his wristwatch. Only 5 minutes are left. Jimin, give him to me. I will take care of him. You go and give your exam. Jimin, shocked. You will handle him? But how? I don't want to bother you, sir. I will manage something. Don't worry. Yoongi, Jimin, only 5 minutes are left. There is nothing which you can do now. Trust me, I will handle him. Jimin hesitated. Are you sure, sir? Yoongi, 1000% sure. Now go. Horshook, come here. Hobie came there. Yes, sir. Yoongi, give him to me and take Jimin to your classroom. Your exam is going to start. Took Cook from his hand. Jimin, give him his bag. Sir, here is his bag. His food and medicine in this. Please feed him. His name is Cookie. Yoongi patted his head. Don't worry, I will take care of him. Best of luck. Cook shouts, Appa! Showed his thumbs up. Luck. Cookie love Appa. Jimin smiled. Appa loves Cookie too. Appa will be back soon. Ran from there. Jimin went to his class to give paper, and Yoongi brought Cookie to his cabin and made him sit on the chair. But he climbed on the table and started playing with paperweight. Yoongi removed his coat and hung on his chair and smiled brightly to see his happy face. Cook, while playing with paper bat. Ball. Yoongi sat on the table in front of him. It's not ball, it's paperweight. Cook looked at him. No, ball. Cookie, play. Throw it. Yoongi smiled. Cookie, it's not a ball. It can't bounce back to you. Pick the paperweight from the floor. Cook sat pout. Cookie, no, play. Yoongi saw his sad pout. Of course Cookie will play. Wait. Cook, how? No ball. Yoongi removed his tie and made a ball from it. See, here is Cookie's ball. Cookie can play with this. Cook happily took the ball from his hand. Ball! Hee hee. His happy giggle sounds like melody for him. Yoongi was so happy. Soon they both became friends. Jimin daily left Cookie with Yoongi and picked him after the exam. Yoongi brought ball for him and prepared a special dish for him. Whole day, Jungkook was doing so much fun. His cabin was soundproof, so nobody can hear anything. Yoongi became a child with Cookie. Cookie likes him so much and started calling him Dada. Yoongi became so happy after hearing Dada from him. Jimin decided to check him, so he slowly opened the door without making any noise and got shocked to see them. Jimin, super shocked. This Goldie can smile too. I can't believe on my eyes. Am I daydreaming or this is a reality? Just look at them, how happy they both are looking together. Time skipped after a few days. Yoongi and Cookie were so happy with each other. Their bonds became like father and son. Jimin cleared his exams with good grades. Today he went on his first job interview and as usually he left Cookie with Yoongi. Yoongi was playing with Cookie with his ball in his hand. Suddenly Jimin came there. He picked Cookie in his arms and said, Yoongi took the paper. What's this, Jimin? Jimin, I got the job. It's my joining letter. Yoongi, congratulations, Jimin. Jimin, thank you so much, sir. Now I got a job so I can raise Cookie by myself. Thank you so much for supporting me. Now onward, he won't bother you. Come, let's go, Cookie, to our house. Cook started wiggling in his arms and Jimin put him down. Cookie want Tata. Cookie, no, go. Cookie, lift Tata. Appa went to Yoongi and hugged him tightly. Jimin, no Cookie, it's not possible. We can't live with him. He isn't your dada. He's my professor. Now be a good boy and come with me. Cook hugged Yoongi more tightly. No, Cookie, no, go. Tata. Jimin tried to pull him. Cookie, behave yourself. This is what I taught you. Yoongi stopped him. Jimin, let it be. It's okay if he doesn't wanna go. Jimin, it's not okay, sir. His demands are getting increasing day by day. He wanna stay with you, which isn't possible. Yoongi, why isn't this possible? You are his appa and I'm ready to become his dada. You both can stay here with me. I don't have any problem. Let's get married. Jimin, what are you saying, sir? How can you accept a shameless boy as your life partner? Yoongi, oh, so you are still holding my words. Jimin, shouldn't I? Yoongi, Jimin, we both know. Why did I say those words to you? You weren't concentrating on your studies. You were only focusing on me. Because of that, your studies get affected. To remind you your goals, again, I said those words to you as a shock treatment. I also love you and don't want to become the reason of your distraction. I want your bright future and happiness. For that, I have to say that. I'm sorry if you think I intentionally humiliated you. I'm ready to take any punishment, but please don't think like I don't love you. Jimin, are you ready to accept me with Cookie? Yoongi, of course I am. Jimin, think again, Mr. Min. We won't get our baby in future. Yoongi, I don't need to think anything. Cookie is enough for us. Jimin, don't you wanna know whose baby is Cookie? Yoongi, no, I don't. He is your baby, and after marriage, officially, you and Cookie both will become mine. Jimin smiled. Biologically, he isn't my son. I found him from dump yard. I tried to find his parents a lot, but couldn't get. After that, I adopted him. Yoongi, shh. He is our son. We are his parents. Only this is the truth. Jimin hugged Yoongi tightly and Cookie hugged both of their legs. Dada, Cookie, Appa, dance, said while jumping. Yoonmin smiled to see his happy face. Of course, baby, we will dance. Sometimes shock treatment is also important to remind your goal and boost yourself with new confidence. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This was the requested story for one shot. I gave you two options and you all choose this one. Don't worry, I will upload other story too, but after some time. Sometimes shock treatment is also important to remind you your goal, which you forget or distract because of some reasons. It gives you new energy to prove something. Happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. We all meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.